Holy Moses, people, look at all of these cards. We're gonna go through them all. I just love doing swaps because you get all of these amazing cards and then I get to show them to you and you get inspired and get ideas for them. So we'll start with this one, which is actually one that I used for my paper party. I made this card. It wasn't a swap card, but I made it for my paper party and I didn't show it anywhere else. So I thought I would show it really quick just so you guys could see it. And I think it's so pretty. And it was inspired by one of these cards. I think it's this one, right? Yep, it's this one right here. So this is what's fun about swap cards. I got this card in the mail and I thought, how can I take this card and make another card? So there you go. Look at that. So super, super fun. So when you see, you know, cards and different things, don't think, especially like those of you who purchase my events and tutorials, don't use those tutorials just one time. Go back and recreate the same projects just using different papers. That's all I did here is I just changed up the papers and the colors and obviously the stamps. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. Super cute. And I don't know who made this one. I can't remember. And I don't have her name on it. This is my swap, one of my swap cards. I thought it turned out really cute. And here's another. This is by Marissa Alvarez. I love this lady. She's so amazing. And her cards are always to die for. Look at all the layers. I mean, they're just incredible. So many layers, so pretty. This one is cool. They used the foil paper here for the cheer. This is by Jennifer Hampshire, I think is how you say her name. Be Merry and Bright. This is beautiful. By Lori Krause. Season's Greetings by Jeanette Swain. We actually sat next to each other on a bus in Italy, I think it was. Jennifer Hampshire again, beautiful. She white heat embossed all of these candy canes. I love this card. That's a pretty one. I didn't get this stamp set because I wasn't sure how to use it, but here you go. It's beautiful. This is by Tammy. I'm not even going to try to say her last name because I'll mess it up. Beautiful, beautiful angel. Peace on Earth card from Terry Meehan. This is from your current resident, Wendy Cranford. This was my swap card. This one is so super cute. This is by Christine Bertram. I love her. She's the one that runs all of these swaps that I take part in. And this card is gorgeous. This one is by Jay. I'm not sure how to say her last name. Gorgeous card. And it looks like maybe it's a fun fold. Let's check it out. Yep, she just chopped off a portion there, and then she's got those cute little, that border die on the edge. So stinking cute. Cute, cute, cute. So thankful for you. This one looks like maybe it has a pocket. Let's see. Let's see how this one is. This is by Mindy Gray. Yep. Oh no. Okay. It's like a Dutch fold, kind of. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love the monochromatic. This one is You're So Sweet It's Scary by Sandy Carlson. My girl Sandy. I love my girl Sandy. And all of these cards are stamped on the inside as well. Super cute. And Sandy also made this card, which I cased and made... Hold on, hold. Let me grab it. I made this card with it. How cute is that? So you, again, I cut exact same measurements, everything the same. I simply changed out the theme and the patterns and all of that. Super cute. Okay, this one has 100 layers. This is by Amy Combs. She is such an overachiever. Look at all this gorgeous layers. And then it's a Z fold card. So fun. So you could write your message in here. Super, super cute. How she die cut all this for all the swaps, amazing. Okay, my tail says it's the twitching hour. So cute. This is by Marissa. And hers is also a Z fold. Have a perfect Halloween. So cute. Love it. Great job, Marissa. This is by Terry Gaines. Let's look at the inside. Very pretty, very elegant. Every season brings its own wonder. This one is Sending Love and Christmas Cheer. This is by Rhonda Morgan. She's a talented stamper as well. And she's just got a little stuff here on the inside. Cute. This one is a little pie holder on the front, and it's a birthday card, and this is by Christine as well. Very cute. Then we have this one, Amy Combs, using that baubles. I think it's called Delicate Baubles, maybe. Very, very pretty. This one's gorgeous. I did not get the polar bears because I didn't think that I would know really how to use them. And then I see this card and I'm like, okay, well now I have to have the polar bears. What the heck? So pretty. Okay, Together is the Merriest Place to Be. Who's this by? This is by Rhonda Morgan. And the inside is stamped. Very pretty. We've got Happy Birthday. This is a great birthday card to give to somebody in the winter. This is by Candy Michael. I'm gonna have to find out where she got these. They're like sticky notes with all her info printed on them. Love that. This is a fun fold. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, maybe you pull here. What? So stinking cute. Okay, this one is by Terry Gaines, and I know this had to be a lot of work because she probably had to punch out some of these little intricate pieces, but beautiful, beautiful card. It looks like a knit sweater, which I think is the name of the set, possibly. Anyway, this one's super cute. I love the color blocking here. So good. Spotlight stamping, whatever you want to call it. We would melt without you. So cute. Oh, that's also by Candy. Okay, we've got our Let It Snow card using that Whimsy and Wonder paper and a gorgeous, it looks like they used the dies to cut these beautiful snowflakes. Very nice. Okay, now these are all bundles, or suites. So this uses that Peaceful Place suite, and we all had to make 2. So this is by Lori Krause. Just plain on the inside. So very basic. This one is that gingerbread and peppermint suite. Super cute. This is the Harvest Meadows, and this one looks like a fun fold, so we'll check that out really quick. These are by Jay. Again, can't say her last name, so sorry. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, this is a bookbinding card. We're going to make one of those, actually. Okay, and then this is, I cannot remember the name of this suite of products. Painted Christmas, I think. Beautiful. Of course, we've got the cute Halloween. So stinking cute. These are by Sandy. These ones are by me. This was the Sweet Stockings bundle, and you guys remember me making this card, I'm sure, if you followed me. And this ties in a bow. Obviously. So we can just tie this up like this. There you go. And then we've got these cute cards. And then this is the Whimsy and Wonder. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous cards. So happy with all of them. And I hope you enjoyed this video, just getting to look at all of these with me. I'm going to have another card video coming out showing random act of kindness cards that I have received as well. So I hope you enjoy these videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know if you like these videos where we just go through a bunch of cards. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.